Hey guys, it's Day. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm a huge fan of A Week of Nerds, or as I started to call it, A1. Not to be confused with Aquan, the rapper, although I'm also a fan of Aquan. But seriously, I wasn't included in the formulation of A Week of Nerds. I'm not really sure why that is, because I met Wednesday, the same day that Thursday met Wednesday, and it was at a John Green event, so I sort of assumed that if you're at a John Green event that you're officially a nerd. I mean, that's sort of like they ask for your nerd card at the door. So why I wasn't included, I don't really know. Maybe it's because you guys assumed like I'm a college student and I don't have time to post videos weekly, but apparently Sean doesn't have time to post videos weekly either. So enough about that. I just wanted to prove to you guys that I am a nerd. You know, I was at the Nerd Fighters event. I got my International Honor Society pin that I'm sporting. And I crochet. Not very well, but I do it. But in all honesty, I guess it makes sense that you guys didn't include me. I'm probably too old to be in your little show, but I can still be your #1 fan. Did you guys hear me? I said your #1 fan. Anyway, you guys need to start doing your challenges because you're not taking them seriously and it's getting annoying. So I was thinking one of you could do like your entire video like with your pet and you're just doing a voiceover, so we're watching like a dog or a cat or a rabbit or something cool like that, or you're like your little brother or your little sister or something and you're just the voiceover. That would be funny. Also funny would be if you guys did your entire video in a costume. Not that this is a costume. It's not a costume at all. I'm just very fashionable. Anyway, your shows make me laugh. Keep doing them. Keep up the good work. But start doing your challenges. And work on an intro. You need an intro. Anyway, this is Day signing off.